the first thing you need is your scissor jack. And what I'm going to do with the scissor jack is I'm going to put it underneath the bike. Alright, I placed the scissor jack underneath the bike, and the object I'm going for is to make sure that there's no wires or objects that can be pinched or damaged. For instance, like these shocks, I do not want to put the scissor jack on these shocks itself. What I want is to put it on the frame, on both sides of the frame here. There's no objects, so now I can jack up the scissor jack. And as I'm jacking it up, I'm going to watch the swing arm and the pressure of the tire. As I'm jacking it up, I want to take all the weight off the tire itself and off the swing arm. Enough so I won't have any pressure on the axle itself.